In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Keepa to sell used electronics onto Amazon. You can get these items from thrift stores, Mercari, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, eBay, and sell them on Amazon. I have this search for Sony micro cassette recorders. This is an item that I would flip a lot when I was doing eBay to Amazon arbitrage. And what you'll do is you'll be looking at the listing and you will scroll to the Keepa widget and you'll see that the sales rank, it's fluctuating. Okay, so those are sales happening. This sales rank is more so related to the new offer. And most of the time you're not going to be selling a lot of these new. There's a lot more, on eBay, on Mercari for used voice recorders, but they are still selling. So what you want to do is you want to go down to the Keepa here, and at the very bottom you can see new offer count, which is this blue purple line, and the used offer count, which is this black line. And what you could do is, say we zoom in to just a month. Every time you see a sales rank drop, that is a sale. But how do we know which one's selling? The new offers or the used offers? This really made a difference when I was flipping these used items. And it doesn't have to be electronics. It could be books. It could be, video games, anything used. It's just a lot more helpful when the supply isn't, that high. With books, with media, the offers can be in the dozens and sometimes even the hundreds, and so it doesn't really work as well for that. That's why I mention used electronics, used camera gear, stuff like that. We don't want to look at the new offer count. We don't even need to look at the sales rank. We could take all the new stuff off, okay, and just be left with the used and the used offer count. How to find out how often these voice recorders are selling in the used offers is just drag your cursor over the Keepa widget here, and you can see you have an offer count of 10 and then an offer count of 9. Someone sold. So all you do is you count those drops. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops. Okay. So 10 drops in a month on this voice recorder. And what I would do is I would go into the used offers and see how many there are, currently. What you could do is you could go to eBay right now, see if there are any of these to buy, take advantage of buying these low on eBay, selling them higher, and pocketing the difference on Amazon. So that's how you use Keepa to see how fast a used item is moving and if it makes worthwhile to sell.